come spend a quick 24 hours in Dallas, Texas with us and see what we can get into. Welcome to the journey. We are back with another one. Just a quick room tour here. We're going to show you what we're working with. This is a little kitchenette. We do have a coffee stand, a little wet bar, some cups, tea, ice bucket, a couple of wine glasses, some plastic cups. We do have a refrigerator. Oh, hey, Michael.
Oh, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the Westin DFW Airport. So we're here for one night. We also use one of our Suite Night Upgrade Awards as a Platinum Status Marriott member. So this is an upgraded room. This is a kind of a semi-suite. I wouldn't call this a real suite where there's a separation of a bed and a bedroom, but I would say this is a semi-suite.
All right, so this is the living room area here. So we do have one chair, a table, a couple of plugs, and is this a pull-out couch?
Pull-out sofa.
There is 2 TVs in the suite.
Of course, we got the Jennifer's Journey channel on that one as well.
Jennifer's Journey. This is a new addition to the Journey.
Plug port and a USB charger here. As you notice, there is no clock. So as I think we discussed it in the last video, the Marriotts are doing away with the clock. It's not a standard anymore. So unfortunately, we can't do our hashtag clock test.
I'm sure you could get a wake-up call from the front desk if you needed.
Let's see, we can do a dust test here. Ooh, they got an A. Nothing there. I like the presentation of the bed.
TV number 2.
So it's crisp here. Plus, they did like a turn-down service here, so you could just, when you lie in, you just pull the blanket up and you tuck yourself in. So they have 2 ropes provided here in the room as well. Lavender balm. Decent sized bathroom. You have a shower here. And you have a tub here. So if you're running late and there's 2 people, one person can shower here, one person can shower there.
Take a look at the products. We do have Westin brand white tea, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And this, as Michael said, is a tub with a nice rainwater shower head. We do have some Heavenly brand Westin. Don't know how heavenly they feel. They feel like pretty standard towels to me, but we will report back. We do have lotion, a couple of more glasses, blow dryer, extra TP, a couple hand towels, regular towels, tissues, a shower cap, your basics.
There is a lounge for Platinum members. Very limited options though. They only had, unfortunately, guacamole, salsa, chips, and
maybe some queso.
Queso.
This is an airport hotel. They do offer a free shuttle to and from the airport.
It picks you up either at the very beginning of the terminal or the very end. You have to go downstairs to the arrivals area, and you either go all the way to the left or all the way to the right. The shuttle will pick you up there. It took about 10 minutes, I think, from once he started driving to get to the hotel.
We do get to see a lot of the planes taking off from DFW. We did get a little bit of footage of that up at the
rooftop pool.
There he is in all his glory. Gave us a couple of drink comps, so we did enjoy a couple of drinks down at the bar.
We're at the bar at the hotel here. It says pick your poison. I got an IPA. Check-in, found out that it was our anniversary for me and lovely Jen, and she got us 2 drinks at the bar. So we're gonna indulge it, and the lovely lady's having. What are you having there, young lady?
I'm sticking with Dos Equis.
She's having a Dos Equis. At dinner, there was a 2 out of 10.
It was a 1.
Here's the bar here. We did not have dinner at this bar, by the way. We had dinners at Dickeys BBQ. Do not go if you're in Dallas.
Check out the Yelp review.
We were going to make a video. It was going to be Dickeys versus Dickeys because there was supposed to be a burger place called Dickeys and a barbecue place called Dickeys in the area, maybe 10 minutes away. Unfortunately, Dickeys is closed down, and Dickeys was a Cheers. So
we originally started at a Mexican place. We had some chips and salsa and 1 drink there. Then we were gonna head over. We noticed the restaurant was closed. We went to a second Mexican place while we were figured out the plan. They had a lot of birds flying around their bar area, eating chips off of other people's tables. So we decided that wasn't the spot for us.
I mean, it was a killjoy because The burger place had 50 burger options plus 50 beers on tap. So something
50
like
burgers,
concept.
50 beers. We had already both decided what we were going to get for our meals. We had our heart set on that, and then it closed. It looks like it recently closed. There was a sign right on the door. We did talk to a bartender that was at the other restaurant, and he said he was there just a couple of weeks ago.
We're going to Suki's Garage Burger and Company. This is the Dallas location, or Irvine, Texas to be exact. It's a burger joint. Burgers are supposed to be Bomb City. We're gonna check it out, let you know what we think. So we're doing Suki's for lunch, and we're gonna do Dickeys BBQ for dinner. So we found all this bird poop on the floor. We're like, that looks weird. And then you see this location is permanently closed.
It's a deer.
That's a cheers.
We are heading off tomorrow to another destination.
So we're heading to Mexico. We're gonna do 2 all-inclusives, and we're gonna do 3 videos. So we're gonna do the one all-inclusive, the other all-inclusive, and then a comparison of the 2 to see which one is better. And we'll also make a video of the transportation. So for anybody who's traveling to Puerto Vallarta and wants to know what the transportation options are like, we'll include that as well.
Our flights were seamless today. We did fly in on American. No issues, left on time, arrived early. We didn't check any bags, in and out. Okay, customer service wasn't great, but no major complaints. On board, Wi-Fi, we had the free entertainment.
So happy anniversary to us. If you like this video, click and subscribe.
Be sure to head on over to Instagram and follow us at Jenicle's Journey for more content, and to follow along for our next upcoming video, which will be Mexico. Cheers, thanks for watching.